Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing education visas. I will just get right to it. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post, bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, Immigration Chief Vows to Tighten Visa Extension Rules. Quoting directly, quote, so there will be a working group to revise rules on visa extension applications that cite work for foundations, the need to receive medical treatment, and for studying in both the formal and informal education systems, unquote, Police Lieutenant General Pakpum Pipat said. And this is Police Lieutenant General Pakpum Pipat Saijapan, head of Thai immigration. So that's the current head of Thai immigration, is saying this. Now, I urge those who are watching this video, go read that article in detail. There's other articles out there talking about this. Yeah, I've been discussing this for a while. Education visas have never been the refuge of people looking to live in Thailand. We saw this going back in 17 and 18, especially under Big Joke, where he was rounding up people at these schools that were kind of described colloquially at the time as sort of quote-unquote visa mills, some of them. And look, there are genuine schools that do assist people with education visas. I'm not trying to throw the baby out with the bathwater. I do understand that there are educational institutions that assist with education visas that are perfectly legitimate. In the past, there were plenty that were not, and far from it. And these days, it looks like, as we discussed in other videos on this channel, when the emergency decree was repealed, we go back to status quo ante. So we're back to Q1 of 2020 and dealing with the immigration system as it was in that moment. And that means that we are in a much tighter immigration system, quite honestly, than we've been dealing with for the past 2.5 years, roughly. This education visa thing did not come as a surprise to me at all. I definitely think if you're looking to live in Thailand, you should look elsewhere than just trying to use, especially an education visa as a pretext or even a pretense where you're really not even doing what you say you're doing, you're just doing it to get a visa. Not a great idea. Look for other options. Look for something where, especially you're telling the truth about what you do, but also something that, that's the beginning, that's obviously your starting position. But if you're not really coming to Thailand to engage in pedagogical study, then it's probably a good idea to go ahead and seek another type of visa that more accurately reflects what you're doing here in the Kingdom of Thailand.